Hi guys, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? I hope you guys are studying at home and not just doing all this मस्ती this lockdown because anyway अभी आप लोग पढ़ोगे so this is not going to help you just in class 9th. ये आपके बहुत आगे तक help करने वाला है. So I would request you to just study sincerely और सब कुछ thoroughly करो. You know you have ample time. You're lucky enough to have this time. So do everything thoroughly. आज हम we are going to solve a very important question based on algebraic identity. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है, but it's very good to solve. ठीक है? So let's get started. Okay? So this is our question. इसको simplify करना है. a square minus b square whole cube plus b square minus c square whole cube plus c square minus a square whole cube upon denominator similar. Okay? So हमारे पास एक identity होती है. There's one identity that we use. Which is that identity? It is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to, it's minus 3abc is equals to. It is quite a long one, but ये आपके tips पे होनी चाहिए. You should remember all these identities on your tips so that तभी आपको idea होगा कि which identity you have to use in which question. Okay? So इसका क्या होता है right hand side? It's a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ca. This is what the identity is. अब इसमें if a plus b plus c ये term अगर zero हो जाता है then obviously whole of your right hand side will become zero because 0 multiplied by this big term will anyway be a 0. So if a plus b plus c is equals to 0 तो हमारी इसकी right hand side क्या हो गई? 0. We can write it as a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to 0, right? We can write it this way. अगर हम इस abc को let us take to right hand side तो हमारा क्या आ जाएगा? a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equals to 3abc. सिंपल. ये आइडेंटिटी हम डायरेक्टली यूज कर सकते हैं इन दोज केसेस वेयर a plus b plus c is equals to 0. Otherwise you have to use the entire formula. So this is what we are going to use in our first question. This question, right? If you see the numerator, suppose this I am denoting as capital A, this is capital B and this is capital C. Okay, so if we do a plus b plus c here, हमने a plus b plus c क्या किया? So a क्या है? a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. आप देखो everything will get cancelled. a square से a square, b square से b plus b square minus c square plus all these things got cancelled. So we have a plus b plus c is equals to 0. So what will our numerator become? Numerator क्या हो जाएगा? We know the formula. If a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to what? 3abc, right? So that means it is what? 3a square minus b square, b square minus c square and c square minus a square. This is what our numerator has become. Now if we are coming to the denominator, you see this identity, it is the same identity which is being used in numerator as well as denominator. तो denominator को भी हम a plus b plus c करके देखते हैं. Suppose we take it as capital X, capital Y, capital X plus capital Y plus Z. What is capital X? This term a minus b. This is capital Y and this is capital Z. ठीक है, इसको प्लस करके देखते हैं. What it is? a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. Everything will get cancelled even now. सब कुछ आपस में कैंसिल हो गया. It turns out to be a 0 again. So what will the denominator become? क्या बन जाएगा हमारा denominator? It will again be 3x, y and z. Right, what is x, y, z here? We have 3 into a minus b plus b minus c. Sorry, this plus will not come, it is multiplication. 3a, b, c, c minus a. Alright, we have our numerator solved, we have our denominator solved. Let us put the values and do it. ठीक है, तो हमारा numerator क्या था? 3a square minus b square, b square minus c square, c square minus a square. And denominator we had what? C. We had 3a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. 3a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. This is what we have. Suppose, so obviously we'll cancel 3 on 3. ये तो cancel हो गया. अभी a square minus b square identity है again. What is the formula? A plus b, a minus b. Simple. Let us put this numerator. A plus b, a minus b हो गया. Plus b square minus c square क्या हो गया? I'm sorry, this plus will not come. It will be b plus c, b minus c and c plus a, c minus a. These all terms are in multiplication. और denominator में क्या है? a minus b, this and this. Simple. Abhi if you see the numerator and denominator, c minus a and c minus a got cancelled, b minus c and b minus c got cancelled, a minus b, this got cancelled. So kya, what is left? A plus b, b plus c and c plus a. This is our solution, solved. With a smiley. We always end a question with a smiley because then you have learned something, right? So you have to always smile. One more question we'll do related to this identity itself, which is an important question. बहुत ही छोटा solution है, but it's very tricky. ठीक है? So let us start with left hand side. We have to prove that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is this long term. So let us take left hand side first. Taking LHS first. We know that इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस सी क्यूब माइनस 3abc. अभी हमने पीछे लिखा था, इट वॉज a प्लस बी प्लस सी इंटू ए स्क्वेयर प्लस बी स्क्वेयर प्लस सी स्क्वेयर माइनस ए बी माइनस बी सी माइनस सी ए. दिस वॉज आवर फॉर्मूला. Yeah, so multiplying and dividing this by 2, इसको 2 से multiply कर देते हैं और 2 से ही divide कर देते हैं. Then this 2 will be multiplied with this one. So यहाँ हमारा क्या बच जाएगा? See, because we need half here. See, यहाँ right hand side में हमारा half है, तो इस half को हम as it is रहने देते हैं, right? And a plus b plus c भी as it is है, आप देखो. This is also the same. So let us not touch these two terms. इनको हम छेड़ते नहीं हैं. Okay, this 2 will be multiplied inside. So क्या बन गया हमारा? 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. This is what we got. ठीक है, अभी हमें क्या करना है इसमें? हाफ a plus b plus c को तो as it is ही लिख देना, because ये हमारा right hand side में भी है. Let us not change this. I mean, we don't need to. ठीक है, a 2a square को can we write a square plus a square? Similarly, 2b square we can write b square plus b square. This is, we'll write c square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Alright, ये हो गया. अभी if you see, I'll change the color for you to understand it better. If you see this a square plus b square minus 2ab, you got something with it. It is a formula, right? Or similarly, b square plus c square minus 2bc, and one more left is a square plus c square minus 2ca. So we have got three formulas which are being made from this term, right? Let us write it. So we have half a plus b plus c and a square plus b square minus 2ab becomes a minus b whole square, right? This is the formula. A minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. यही तो हमारा formula है. Plus b square, ये जो square वाले हैं, b square plus c square minus 2bc becomes b minus c का whole square. And the one which is in green is a square plus c square minus 2c है. So we have c minus a का whole square, which is our right hand side. So we have proved this one. That's all. 2 questions from my side. I hope you have understood this. It is a very small trick which comes in, but it is applied in many questions in algebraic identities and it is really important. I'll just advise you कि आप सारे learn करके रखो. All these identities should be on your tip, especially those who are in class 9th right now. Alright, so that's all from my side. Thank you so much. All the best. I hope you understood each and every point of it. Please like this video, share with your friends and subscribe this channel, and also press that bell button so that you get the notifications for whenever I have uploaded a new video. Alright, thank you so much. Also, if you have got any doubts and you want me to explain that question, please mail me at maths.charu@gmail.com. I'll be very happy to help you out. Thank you so much. Bye.